Given that x equals to minus 5 and y equals to 1/4, evaluate 1 over y minus 1 over x. Okay, so we have 1 over y minus 1 over x. All right, so let's substitute the value. So y itself is a fraction. Okay, so how can we do this? All right, so to do it systematically, we can say 1 divided by y, and y is 1/4. All right, minus 1 over x. So x is minus 5. Okay, now division, okay, is equivalent to the multiplication of the reciprocal. So it's 1 times 4 over 1. Okay, and minus into minus will give us plus. Okay, so plus 1 over 5. All right, so 1 times 4 is 4. So 4 plus 1 over 5, which means the final answer is 4 and 1 over 5. Thank you.